What a miraculous place. Very pure. Seems to be very pure. Senuk, where does this come from?
This begins from the Singharaj forest reserve. This is a pure water stream.
What an ideal place to teach about that rainforest experience. Why don't you let them to enjoy this natural beauty? Being familiar with the streams of village to entertain the real entertainment with natural water streams. Let them to be familiar with pure water streams. In order to have such fun and experience, we must preserve those things for the future generation.